Hi, your creator is back again. Sorry for the delay. In this video, I am going to talk about how exactly our earbud is going to charge when we keep it in the case. Okay, let's get into the video and see what's the science behind it. I have this broken earbud case and I don't have any earpieces in this. So, and these are the things I have found: battery and this module and one sensor. I will show you what exactly that sensor is. I hope it is clearly visible to you. Right now you are watching Hall effect sensor in my hand. It gets activated when it detects magnetic field. It is also detects north and south pole of the magnet separately. Now I'm going to explain how exactly it is going to work. When we introduce magnetic field, whether it is the south or north pole, this all effect sensor will be activated and it will output some voltage. You can see these two terminals. Here you will get that output as voltage, and here is where we place our earbuds or earpieces exactly in this position, and your earbuds will get charged. Now I'm just keeping everything in this case again to show where exactly the sensor is placed and how earbuds is going to charge. And here is exactly it is placed. The sensor is placed in this position, and when we keep earbuds inside this case, it will interact with that sensor. I mean, these two buds will interact with that sensor because each earbud contains magnets, right? So when we keep earbuds in the case, it will get charged when interact with that Hall effect sensor. Now I'm going to connect the battery to this module and I will show you practically how exactly it is going to work. I have just connected the battery to the module and you can see this beautifully glowing LEDs, and now I am going to show you how it is going to output when we introduce the magnet with live example. In this case I am going to use this multimeter, and I am connecting these output terminals of the module to the digital multimeter, and I am going to see the output. Now it is 0 because no magnet is introduced, no magnetic field is introduced. So now I'm going to introduce magnet which is there in this earbud. So see, when I introduce the magnet, it is the voltage is showing. You can see, yes, how exactly it is going to work. When we keep the earbud in the case, it will get charged. So now I'm going to see with a small magnet. See, you will see some small voltage. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Happy tinkering. We'll meet in the next video.